Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be taking you through how I color grade on CapCut. So just stay relaxed and watch how I do the magic. So once you open your CapCut, you see the new project file. So once you click on it, will take you to where to select your clips. So now I'm just selecting my clips one after the other. So once it's done, so I click on add. So it will be added to the timeline. So once it's added to the timeline, so I just want to look through all the clips, if my clips are well arranged. So once that is done, so I'll start to edit. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and give your comment. So once that is done, I'll click on the adjust on the menu. So once I click on that, so I'll start to add tweak my image, put the necessary contrast, add sharpness, add clarity. I would just want to literally let my clips add a new feel, so I'll just adjust and click adjusting. But stay tuned to my channel. I'll be taking you through how you can use the HSL. If you don't forget, look at my last video on VN editor. I mentioned that, so just stay to my channel, turn on your notification bell to know when I'll be uploading that video on HSL, how you can use your HSL to beautify your color grading. So I'll be changing the fill now. So once I get to the saturation, I just want to change it to the old look to make it white and black. So I'll just reduce the saturation and just change the fill. I add contrast to make the black spots more sharper, and I'll play with the shadow, give it a bit of dark, and that's all. So you have your new feel of your video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell.